Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the FX off-road. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, and side bed steps. We do get a bed camera as well, a nice black platform running board. We got side view camera, trailer tow mirrors, spotlights, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. It's also perforated. Plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system, some brown leathering on the seats. You do have storage ahead, cup holders, or whatever. 2 heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake pedal adjusters, lights, tailgate, and spotlights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 26.5 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle-free screen, phone and media, the Ford logo, volume mute, and cruise control. Right now we're currently on our comm screen, and we do have our kilometers per hour and our distance to empty. We have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage, wireless charging pad, more outlets, and it does close. Cup holders, but if you need more, you got 2 more. Leather up center console with more storage. You even get a little light down there so you can see what you're doing. Above me, we have 6 Upfitter Switches, which you can set up however you please, and a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle with a garage door transmitter. We have our engine brake and hill, and a little storage cubby above the infotainment system, which we do get our audio, which does come equipped with our AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your settings right here. You do get personal profiles as well, which is pretty nice, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC23201, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.